Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what came in my Boxycharm for January. I'm a little bit late. It's currently the 27th of January. Yeah, I just had a baby, so I'm looking a little raggedy. I'm looking a little crusty, musty, dusty. But that's besides the point. Ignore the crazy bags under my eyes, ignore my face, ignore the state of me. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you are interested in this unboxing, then continue on watching. This box was shipped out the 11th of January and I got it on the 20th. This box actually came very early. It came in like 2 weeks, if that. My mind is all types of messed up, so yeah. Anyway, so this came on like the 20th of January and it was shipped out on the 11th, so it actually came very quickly. I already opened the box. It came packed in bubbles. What is this called? It came packed in bubble wrap. This palette was on top and then everything else is in there. It's like they really care. They really give a shit. Well, they must give a shit because $400 that I spent on this, y'all better wrap it up tight. Wrap it up better than me and my boyfriend wrap it up. Let's see how expensive this box is.
$70.
So at least a good $200 worth of products in here. That's just my math, and I'm not really good at math. Let's start. Don't mind the hair, okay? I need to wash and style it. My January choice was this product. This is from Avant Skincare. What the hell is going on here? This is a long ass name. Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. This goes for, you all want to guess? Pause the video, take a guess in the comments how much this costs. This goes for $90, this micellar water. The micellar water that I get is just like, what is it called? From Walmart, $8. It looks like it has sparkles in it. And I think right here is all the ingredients, if I'm not mistaken. Hyaluronic, marigold, something I can't pronounce. Yeah, I think this is some of the ingredients. But yeah, this was my choice for my January box. I try to choose a product every month. I don't like surprises, so I decided to get this in my box. Let's start off with the palette because it's just right there. This is from the company Violet Voss All of You Forever Makeup Palette. If you watched my last video, the Caliente palette did not come in a box, but this one does. So shout out to you, Violet Voss. Now I can't get it out of this freaking thing. Am I gonna have to destroy this packaging too? You know what? Fuck it, like, we're doing it. This packaging, it had like some golden reflective writing on it. Very cute, but I'm gonna have to wreck it. So this is the palette. Let's open it because I have not opened it yet. Ooh. I always love a big palette with a big mirror. Well, it's not big, but it's a decent sized mirror for the palette. My hair's a little bit nappy in the back. I don't know if I mentioned it in the intro, but yeah, I have to wash and I have to style my hair. Being a first-time mom, I don't really have time to style my hair, so I'm usually just wetting it and brushing it and letting it go. This is like, I don't know what day hair this is, honestly. I don't know. Don't judge me, okay? This palette retails for $34. Do I wear green tones? Well, this has browns. This has a lot of mattes as well. If I do a makeup video with this, I probably will be swatching it and everything, but will I have time? I don't know. But yeah, I do wear green sometimes. Yeah, And I feel like I do look good in greens as well, so. The third product that came in my Boxycharm box for January is Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This product retails for $38. Now when it comes to skincare, I am a little bit more, like I will go and I'll spend a little bit more coin on skincare just because, you know, skin is important. So yeah, I will, well no, I won't spend a lot of coin, but you know, if I need to, I'll come out of pocket for some skincare. Okay. This is from Pharmacy, which is really cute actually, the way that they spell it, Pharmacy, with a little chemical, I didn't take chemistry, so I don't know what this is called, a little thing here. Pharmacy, that is really cute. That is really cute. Well, first of all, I like this. Let's just talk about the packaging and everything. I like the name, Pharmacy, I like how it's spelled. Very, it's very creative. You gotta be creative in the makeup industry and in the skincare industry because, you know, everyone and their mama's doing skincare and makeup now. An oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without feeling greasy. Okay, because you know, a bitch got oily skin. This refreshing formula contains a blend of moringa water, papaya, and willow herb phytonutrients known to help reduce shine and clear pores of dirt and impurities. For my postpartum skin, I'm actually surprised that I'm not breaking out and having too much or too crazy acne, because I was acne prone before I got pregnant. I did have hella pimples. A bitch was looking crazy. But yeah, so this is the packaging. Paraben free, formaldehyde donor. Oh, synthetic fragrance free phypholate. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that. Free, mineral oil free, good, and cruelty free. So it just has all these on the side here. I like this box. This packaging is cute. Will I break it? Most likely. God damn. I forgot I didn't take a picture either for Instagram. I'm breaking the box, whatever. Okay, we got it. The fourth product, because yeah, there's 5 products, right? 5 full products. Full, what is the word? I'm always saying full products, but that's not what I'm supposed to be saying. Not what I'm supposed to be saying, but that's not what they're called. You know, like they're the full big product, it's not samples. That's what I mean. So the fourth product in my Boxycharm box is, and I should probably be using this because my lips is hella dry after giving birth, like crusty, falling off. I'm peeling this with my teeth type of dry and it's burning. We got apple and balmy glow lip mask. This product right here goes for $25. $25, so this better be good. This better like bring these back to life, like pop in. This packaging is really cute too. It's cruelty free and vegan. No mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that word right. No gluten, with shea butter, apricot, jojoba oil, and rosehip oils. Green apple and pineapple extracts. Hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. So this is not going to clog your pores. Okay, so this is what the product looks like. Yeah, we're definitely gonna be using that. When I opened the box the first day that I got it, I seen that I got a lip mask and I was like, thank the Lord, because my lips was dry. Like, my friend Courtney got me some lip chap for after birth and that ain't working. And so I don't think I'm drinking enough water, but lip chap ain't working. I tried Blistex ain't working. So hopefully this lip mask does a little something. The last item from my Boxycharm January 2021 box is from Trust Fund Beauty. It's a Lipgasm lip gloss. Lipgasm. I have not had any kind of gasms since before. Yeah, since before I gave birth, so at least my lips won't be gasming. This product right here retails for $18. All of these products are like vegan and free of all types of bad stuff, so be unapologetic yourself, be beautiful, be ethical. Yeah, some of you hoes ain't. This is unprofessional. What does that mean? I think that's the color. Let's open it up. Okay, I'm just gonna wreck all the boxes here. Instagram, I'm sorry. Oh, okay, yeah, so it's a lip gloss. Interesting. I wonder if I should give this to my mom. Because she wears lip gloss. This is the product. I'm gonna open it up and check the tofu, whatever that thing is. Oh, okay. So that is what that looks like. It's pretty small. I'm not gonna swatch this. I'm probably gonna give this to my mom. If you are wondering if you should subscribe to Boxycharm, I think that you should. Personally, I do think it is worth the $400 that I personally spent. So I think if you're thinking about getting this, I think that you should. I will leave my referral code down in the description box, so you can put that in when you go and subscribe to Boxycharm. I don't get no money or anything, but I do get like Boxycharm points or something like that. So if you want to give me some Boxycharm points, make sure that when you subscribe, you go put my referral code in. My Instagram, all my social media will be linked in the description box below. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe the video. And yeah, I will be doing, this isn't related to Boxycharm, but I will be doing a postpartum video, my labor experience. I will be doing all those videos very soon when I have some time. When I'm able to finally do my goddamn hair. All that kind of content is coming. It's just, you know, being a mom, having no goddamn sleep. You see these bags. These bags were worse 2 weeks ago. My baby is finally 2 weeks old. These under eye bags were worse 2 weeks ago. But yeah, that's all the stuff that came in my January 2021 Boxycharm box. For February, don't know when that one is going to be getting shipped out, so it'll probably be, I'll probably have to film another video at the end of February. I'm assuming that now that Christmas is over and all that crazy hectic, now that Christmas is out of the way and all these companies are all brought up to speed and there's, you know, no more hectic energy, I'm assuming that now the boxes will be sent out on time, or it won't take a whole month. I will see you guys in whatever video I create next.